Hello, so my mural of choice is called The Bison Strumming a Guitar in Cheyenne, Wyoming. So we have a bunch of animals here, all of which are native to Cheyenne, Wyoming. Every place has snakes, most places have fish, but bison are really important to the plains areas of Wyoming. So let's first talk about the fish. So the fish is part of life. Like you live, you fish, hunting, that entire thing is Wyoming based. We now have to go to the snake. We have a ton of snakes in Wyoming, most of them non-venomous, but we do have rattlesnakes that go up in the mountains and in the hills, but mostly gardener snakes. Okay, so then we have this bird. Most places have birds, but again, it's big on hunting. We have a very popular thing that goes around in hunting culture with goose jerky. I never thought that it would be worth it in any way, shape, or form, but it is really good, and I do recommend trying it if you get to that point. Okay, so the biggest one on here is the bison. So apart from having the bison in Wyoming, we have an entire thing called the Terry Bison Ranch, and it's just where the bison live and just let loose and do all their things. We have a guitar in here as well, part of the name, and it shows the Western culture of, you know, the Wild West kind of feeling. It's kind of just part of that. We also have the clothes, which are mostly, these kinds of clothes are mostly used for hiking. You also have the hiking boots. Again, we have mountains. We also have a lot of hills in Wyoming. And then the style that this mural is in is very interesting because it's in an Aztec-esque style, which is important because Mexican culture is really big in Cheyenne. A good portion of the population is actually Hispanic, and those Hispanic roots being Mexican, which is where the Aztecs lived. So that kind of pays homage and tribute to that. We have a spear right under the bird and in between the snake, as you can see there. That shows the culture of the indigenous that once lived on our land. The Cheyenne tribe, there's plenty more, but that's the biggest one in Cheyenne, which the town is named after. So I feel like that's what that is paying homage to. And there's just a lot about culture. There's a banjo again up here inside of the bird's talons right there. Banjo, once again showing the music and kind of this just Western feel. But that is the mural, the Strumming Bison in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Thank you very much.